there's been a pretty tight correlation between the printing of Tether and the price appreciation of Bitcoin. Correlation doesn't always equal causation. In this instance, though, I think it does. So I do think if Tether were to have an unfortunate event, being brought under the purview of the U.S. government, and sanctions or accounts were to be frozen, there would be some pretty significant problems that would occur for Bitcoin and its liquidity, and there would be a potential significant downside move in Bitcoin, which would cause huge unrealized losses for the investment banks and other people that had spot ETFs there for Bitcoin. And the only way that they would be able to de-risk from that, because Bitcoin does trade 24/7, 365, would be to move to instant settlement on the back end of the stock market, which, if you've been paying attention, the DTCC finalized Project Ion in cooperation with R3 back in 2022. So that's sitting there, ready to go. And they moved to T+1 on May 28th, a little over a year ago, with the option to settle real time on the back end of the stock market between the clearinghouses and the brokers with an instrument, a digital instrument or a digital asset if there's enough liquidity in it. My personal opinion is that will be XRP, just based on us working with R3 in the little bit that we have. I think that might cause a liquidity crisis, or supply shock, I guess is a better term, for XRP. And if there was significant demand from the ETFs, the exchanges, treasuries, the Ripple case settling, maybe they don't allow Ripple to sell to institutions here in the US. And there's people waiting on the sideline, hoping that that's going to be the case. And the judge doesn't, go that direction with the ruling. There's only going to be one place that those people can access that XRP, and it's going to be on the public market or on the secondary market through exchanges, OTC desks, and the dark pools. And as soon as the dark pools are empty, we're going to see a big move higher in XRP's price.